Yo, what's going on guys, Raf here, and today we're going to be working on this Lexus GX460 for a full face and the front strip. So right here I'm going to be preparing the glass for shrinking, the dry shrinking method, so that's pretty much a dryer sheet and our slip solution, wiping it down, and it's going to be helping us shrink the film. And now Dan's gonna go grab the film, and we're gonna lay it on the front windshield and cut it down to the shape of the glass. Now it's time to shrink, so I'm going to get started with my side while Dan gets his side as well. once I'm done shrinking, I'm going to prep the inside of the glass. So I'm going to be removing the old film that was left there. And the trick is pretty much just to remove it nice and slow. Hopefully no glue is left behind. And now we're going to prepare the dashboard so no electronics get wet. And pretty much this is what we're working with. We insert a soap rope in the way bottom so it catches all the water that goes downwards. And now Joe's gonna hop in and help me out. We're pretty much cleaning off the glue or whatever was left behind, and also scrubbing down the windshield so we leave no contaminants. And now it's time to install the full face, so I'm pretty much gonna hop out and start my process of the reverse roll, and Joe's gonna come out and do his side as well. Now it's time to pretty much unroll and install. Make sure there's no daylight, and we're gonna go ahead and slam this out. And right here, I'm gonna be pulling out the soap rope nice and slow just to make sure it doesn't lift the film. Lastly, touch up the bottom, make sure everything is all said and done, and it's all good to go. Now for the front strip. So for the front strip, we're pretty much lining it up with the top, making sure there's no daylight. And then we're going to start our cutting from the outside, and then we're going to go inside and install. Pretty much that's all it. The process is pretty simple for the front strip, so let's get it done. If you want to schedule an appointment, give us a call at 671-788-2748. Book with us and we'll get it done for you. So pretty much we're all done, and we're going to show you the end results.